So the first program you can try is what? Let's go from basics towards the advanced. Okay. I will just focus on the content which we have discussed till yesterday. Okay. So the first thing you can try to write a program to accept the username, um, age, and display a hi welcome username. You have to display the username and like you have to greet them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Username and then age.
Yeah. Yeah. One minute. Can you go to the edit? On the top, you have edit, right? 1 minute. Options. Options you have, no? Configure idle. Yeah. Here, yes. Font down, you have a size. Yes. Make it little bigger. No, no. 18, 20, 20 is fine, I think. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Apply and okay.
And
Yeah. Apply and okay. Fine.
okay.
Yeah.
My
Yeah. You can
name.
start.
Hello. Andy, how am I supposed to input, like, give the name here? I forgot.
Sorry, I'm speaking in mute. Close double quotes. Close the double quotes.
Okay.
Comma. You have to use that variable name.
Okay. Oh,
Hello.
okay.
Yeah. And then if you want to print the age, then again comma. And in the inside the double quotes, you are close the double quotes, comma, age, yeah, comma. And if you want to add age ago or years old, something, if you want to add something, no, after
Okay.
that age, after the age, yes, comma, double quotes, years old.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
1 minute before executing. Okay, see your code again and check do you have any error. So this is a right practice of any programmer. The basic syntax error you should avoid before executing this.
Okay. Name.
Very good, but when you use name is equal to, okay, before the equal to and after the equal to, there should not be any special character. So there no need of open parenthesis after the name. After name is equal to, you have
Yeah.
open a parenthesis, right? That is not required, and you don't need to close it there.
Okay.
Delete it. Okay. So always keep this in as a thumb rule. Okay. When you're using equal to, if you're assigning something, you cannot assign a special character to that particular thing, particular variable. Okay,
Okay.
either you should start with a number or you should start with a string or you should start with input. Input is a function, so you can directly start. You don't need a parenthesis here.
Okay.
Okay, now you can execute, I think. You have to save it. Create a folder. Inside, you can create a folder, new folder. There is a folder, right? Yeah, practice programs, something like that. And save it as a program one. Always keep this also in mind. Like you have to give the proper and meaningful name for this, okay? Either go
Okay.
with basic input output program one or something like so that if you are it won't accept colon, I think. It won't accept
Oh
colon.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, program either hyphen, you have to go with hyphen. Yeah.
Okay. I'll just say username.
Yeah, very good. Okay, good.
Okay.
Shall we go with the second question?
Yeah. Sure.
Second program. Okay. Now, write a program to perform basic arithmetic operator. Like you have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus.
Okay. Got it.
So you have to get the input from the user. So even if it is one number or two number, you have to get the input from the user, and then you have to do all these things.
Okay.
So in the comment, you can make it as basic arithmetic operators.
We have to get it from the user, right? The numbers. Both.
Yeah, yeah. First two numbers in the sense two numbers you have to first get it from the user.
Okay. Oh, I can do this. Mhm. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay.
Yeah,
Bring. Auntie, I think I'm done.
okay. So let me tell you one thing. So what you have done did is fine. Okay, so you have created the variable for everything and you have stored it. But if we are not going to use it for the future, like for example, why we have to create a variable if you wanted to use it in some other line, okay? But here, if you're printing this, can you just execute this? Like your code is correct, okay? What you have
Okay.
tried is what correct. I'm not telling any wrong in this. Just execute this code. Save this as an arithmetic operator and execute this code.
So
Yeah, open it. Did you understand what is the error?
yeah, it says type error.
Yeah,
Okay.
open the code. I couldn't see the code.
I'm trying to open it, but then it's not letting me
Just
open.
press Alt and Tab. Alt Tab. Alt Tab again. Like you have to do. No, slowly, slowly, slowly.
Oh,
Alt
okay.
one tab, Alt another tab. Yes, like that. Yes, next tab. Like
Um, okay.
slowly. Next one time if you press yes, click that. Leave it. Yes. So did you understand what is the error?
Yeah, it says okay. Um, oh, okay. Okay. This is a string, so like I have to make it as an integer.
Very good. So for both you have to make it as an integer. Okay. First thing you can just do that and then try to execute it and see the output like how it comes. Okay.
Invalid syntax.
You okay. You just try to rectify it. If you couldn't find, I will tell you.
Oh, oh my God.
Good. Are you typing? Sahana, can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes. So what you're feeling after seeing your output?
What am I feeling?
Hmm? Yes.
The values, I'm not getting what I actually did. Like, n1 plus n2 is equal to something. I can't see what I did. For example, if like another person comes and sees this, they'll just like it will be confusing for them.
Exactly.
So I feel like
Yes. So
I've done
yes. Actually, I couldn't hear your voice properly, but I could feel like you are saying it correct. Like you don't like if some user is seeing that they cannot
yeah,
understand what is happening here. Okay.
yeah, exactly.
And this is a simple program, right? So can you just open your code? No, the first one, arithmetic. Press Control Tab. Again, Control Tab. Okay, now, no, 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 no. No need to do that. Can you just keep your mouse in the after that n2? N2 is equal to, you have assigned n2 is equal to int. You are getting the value from the user, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Towards the right. Yeah. The last, like press enter after n2. Like you need a new line. Or you can delete everything. Like you, yes, print. Just type print. Yes, open parenthesis and in the double quotes, the sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers are, or you can simply say addition.
Okay.
No, no. Yeah. Delete that and close the double quotes. Is, yeah, a plus b. Directly you can, sorry, n1 plus n2. You can directly say n1 plus n2. Delete that. Yes. You no need to create a variable.
Okay.
That is what I'm trying to say. Okay. So directly if you press n1 plus n2, it will add and it will give you the answer.
Okay.
Okay. So here, because if you are creating seven different variable, it will create a variable for you. It has to allocate that. It has to create a separate ID, separate object ID and everything. So it will take much space. So if you feel like this is a one program which I'm not going to use it anywhere, the variables are not required, you can directly print it. Okay, you can copy the same thing like print, or else you can type it print the differences of two numbers are n1 minus n2, the exponentiation or the power or whatever it may be of the two numbers are n1 double has double star n2. So you can simply do that and you can delete that a to g.
Okay. Okay. I'll do that. Ocean. Okay. Mhm. I think I'm done.
Okay, very good. Good one.
I have a question. For
Yeah.
like, I don't know if the thing I put in is correct. Like for the division, am I supposed to put in remainder or quotient? Quotient.
Your division should be your quotient, right? What is there
Yeah,
on the top? No, the answer is correct, but the wordings is wrong, I think.
yeah. I think I
No
like
problem. No
confused.
problem. No problem. It will be confusing. No problem. Let's go to the next one. Okay, it's just a printing thing, right? So no need to spend much time on this. Okay. So the next question, you can just open a new file. Good one so far.
Like,
Okay. So the question is, you have to get the float value from the user and you
okay.
have to convert it into an integer and a string. And you have to display the type of the integer and string. Like it is converted to integer and string, right? You have to display
Mhm.
that. Convert the
Okay.
float value and convert it to integer and string. You have made it string and
Okay.
string. Okay, no problem. No problem. You can continue.
Um, mm,
Very good.
One second, yeah, I'm not sure if it's right, so I just want to. Okay, yeah, it's
Yeah, yeah,
open.
yeah. I understood. I understood. That's why I didn't say anything. You can do like this is what the regular programmers do. Like they'll do one step by step. They'll check whether one is working for correct and then they will go.
Mm, don't know. Deep conversation.
I
The
want to
first,
print the type.
okay, and the type. Okay. Three. Nice.
So if I want to print the type, like what is that? It's a integer or something. You have to use type
Oh,
function.
oh yeah, okay. Oh no.
Okay, yeah, no
Okay.
problem.
I
So
thought we had to
there,
do it manually. Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Directly you can just type there itself. No, 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 no. That is fine. So
Okay.
there you have given after the comma, you can start type type small letter type, open parenthesis.
Open parenthesis. Okay. This one?
No, that is close parenthesis.
Oh, okay.
And then last you can close it because we have opened like we have three parentheses, I think one, two, three. Yes. Likewise, same, you can do it for this. Like after the comma, you can do type. So what it will do is it will convert that and it will display the type.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, type. Yes.
Okay.
You
So
can.
can I? So can I just like erase all these like things or like?
Why? No problem.
Okay.
Let it be there. No problem. See, the printing doesn't change anything. Like it's just you're printing it. So no worries. Exactly what is the output? That is what we should be like concentrating.
Okay.
Okay, so it has changed. So you want to inform like if you're simply displaying 4 and then 3 and then 3, so people will still see that as a number. Okay, but if
Yeah.
you want to tell them that okay, I have changed it to integer or changed it to string, then you have to display the type.
Okay.
Clear?
I
Yes,
totally
good.
like just I kind of I didn't remember the type like
Yeah,
I
yeah,
was
yeah. Got it, got
thinking of
it.
doing it.
Yeah, this I just wanted to revise the topic. That is why I just gave this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now let us go to the next level. Like you have to get the three integer values and then you have to print the average of three numbers.
Okay. 90 is correct.
Okay. Okay. This is correct. Perfect. Okay. So we can make it as like after the decimal, you can make it as 2 digit or 3 digit that we will see later. I
Okay.
think that is why they have given the floor division. Okay, so I'll introduce that functions to you and then we will do that. Okay, let's go to the next program.
Okay.
Okay, so the program is you have to get the two numbers. Okay,
Okay.
and you have to tell which one is greater. The first one is you have to tell which one is greater, and then the second one is you have to say is they are they equal. Okay, whether they are equal. And okay, first you complete this. If you want, we can just enhance this.
Okay. So let me just like clarify. First, you have to get two values from the user, and then
Yeah.
see which one's
Yes.
greatest in them.
And
Okay.
then which we should also see which one whether both the numbers are equal. For example, if the user is entering like 5 comma 5, so you have to say which one is greater and
Okay.
whether the both numbers are equal or not.
Okay. Got it. Mm, okay.
Do you remember we discussed about if condition?
Yeah, I'm seeing like which one, which I'm just thinking of like
Yeah, yeah.
what's
Okay,
this
okay, got
something
it, got it,
like
got it.
um,
Do you need any help?
I'm figuring out the keyword for like I know that A equal to B. Like I don't know how to check it. Like
Okay,
what I
I'll tell
should.
you one thing. Okay, so here you can do it in the same thing itself. Like first one, if A is greater than B, if you first you have checked the condition, right? A greater than B. If it is greater than, then it is A is greater than B.
Yeah.
Else it is B is like greater than B, or else it should be equal, right?
Yeah.
So the second, in the second else you have written, right? Can you go to that place?
Okay.
Yeah, delete that, like the colon, not completely. Yes. Can you make it as ELIF? This is what we call it as an ELIF. Okay, that is else if, multiple if conditions. Space,
Okay. Space.
space, A less than B, less than.
Less B.
Okay. S- Okay, so then B is greater. Okay. Then can you come to the next one? Yes. Then last one is else. Else,
Oh,
colon.
okay. Else.
Okay, print both are equal. Colon. Both are equal. Okay, you can. So here, if this is multiple if condition, okay. So if you have three or four conditions, for example, if I'm giving one more condition to you, okay, so what you can do is, if I am telling you to find whether it is divisible by, whether A is divisible by B or not. So what you can do is, you can again go with another elif and try that. Okay. So here
Okay.
you should keep this in mind. If you are using elif, there should be a condition after elif.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. And
Okay.
else, you have to go with the last condition. You cannot do else and then you cannot start with elif.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, I understood.
Yeah. Now you can try to execute and see. Okay. Now try to give both the numbers, like you can give both are equal. Equal numbers. Give both A and B as an equal number, same number. Not again, you have to execute it.
Okay. Can I close these previous programs?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can close this.
Now, I'm supposed to give both the same value.
Yeah, both number one and number two has the same value, and see whether it is showing equal. Yes, both are
Yeah.
equal. So whenever this is another criteria of a programmer. Okay, whenever you are trying, and if you have given three different conditions or three different input, you have to check whether all are working correctly. Okay, though you know the logic and you are checking at, like, it should be correct, but still it is good to go ahead and check it or whether it is working fine. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Now, shall we go to the next question? Are you okay? Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're doing great. Okay, you are just trying. Only if you think you will get it. One request or one recommendation, you can just think, it's not an advice. Whenever you
Okay.
see a code or whenever you see a program or any question which you haven't faced yet, don't
Yeah.
panic. Okay, you are
Okay.
thinking. Your thinking is very good. Just think how to solve it better. And as you are doing, just go one by one. If one is working, if it is not showing anything, you can build your program further.
Okay.
Okay, so
Got
far
it.
you're doing good. So the
Okay.
next question is, you have to accept a four-digit year. Like you have to get the year 2024 or
Okay.
2025 or whatever it may be, and you have to check whether it's a leap year or not.
Oh. Okay. Um. What's the second data? So, input. Mhm. if, if, mm, if you
Dear, wait 1 minute.
okay,
So you are getting an year, right?
yeah,
Why are you checking year is equal to 365?
like I have no idea how to do the leap year. So like
Okay, got it. So it's general understanding. How will you say that it's a leap year or not?
if it has 365
Okay,
days.
it's a general thing. Okay, so here we are just getting the year as an I have to say
Okay.
2014 or 1990. So with that,
Yeah.
you cannot find it is a 365 days or not. So the general condition I will tell you, if a year is divided by 4,
Oh, okay.
did you hear that? Like if it is divided by 4, it's a
No,
leap year. No,
I have
okay,
never
fine.
heard
Okay,
that.
I'll tell you, actually, usually people will do only divided by 4. Okay, if it is
Oh,
divided by 4, it is a leap year.
okay.
Okay, and there are another conditions as well. First, you try this condition. It's a general rule of thumb. If it is divided by 4, it's a leap year. You can just say 2024. 2024 is divided by 4. It should be a leap year.
Okay.
Okay, 2000. It's a leap year because it's divided by 4, but actually 2000 is not a leap year. Okay, so you
Okay.
just do one condition and then I will tell you.
If it's divided by 4, it's a leap year.
No, no, like for example, you have to think clearly. If it is divided by 4, 20, 24. Okay, so you are dividing it 5 by 4.
Okay.
And if you are dividing it by 4, in the sense you should not go to the quotient, you should get the remainder. It should be 0.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, okay. So if it's fully
okay, if
divisible by 4 without a remainder, then it's a leap year.
without yeah, with the, like you should not calculate the quotient. You should check the remainder. It should be 0.
Okay, so the floor division.
Yes, no, you should go with modulus. Modulus is
Oh, okay,
fine.
yeah, yeah. More
Here
modern.
modulus by is 4, and you should check. Yes, that is what I told. Yeah, you should check here modulus 4 should be 0. You should get, if you are doing the modulus value, and it should be 0.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Now you just check this condition. Okay, I will tell you what the other conditions are, because there is three conditions to make that as a leap year.
Okay, okay, got it. Um,
Okay, 2024
okay,
is
yeah,
a
it's
leap year. Okay, it will show it's a leap year. Can you go to the code?
okay.
So generally, your age kids will, like your age students will do only modulus by 4 is leap year. Okay, but
Okay,
what if I'm? Can you execute this? Like again, can you execute this?
okay.
Okay, what if I'm giving 20 to 2023? It won't print anything. So whenever you are writing a if condition, you should go with else condition.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so you can just try else. I will tell you the other conditions as well.
Okay.
Not a
Should
leap
I
year.
print non-leap
Not a
year?
leap year. Yeah,
Okay.
non-leap year. Yes, anything. Non-leap year or not leap years, whatever. Okay, so there is another conditions. This will work, I'm sure. Okay, there is another condition you should also check to find the leap year. Okay, so the oneness should be modulus, like the remainder should be zero, and the second important thing is what it should not be like the if it is 100. Like for example, if you are dividing it by zero, okay, sorry, if you are dividing it by 100, your remainder should not be zero. Why?
Oh, okay.
Because it if it is also divisible by 100, sometimes if you are doing 2000, it is divisible by 100. 1900, it is divisible by 100. Okay, it is not a leap year.
Okay.
Okay, so you should also check if it is also divisible by 100, it is not a leap year.
If it's also divisible by 100, it's
It's
not
not
a
a
lot.
leap year. So you have to check that in the first if condition itself. So one is if it is divisible by, like divisible in the sense I am talking about only the remainder, not a quotient here
Oh,
in this particular context.
okay,
Okay, so if it is divisible by 4, it's a leap year. But if it is also divisible by 100, it is not a leap year.
okay.
Okay,
So
so what you have to do here, you don't try, but just tell me what logical condition you have to use here. Can you name your logical conditions which we have discussed? Can you try?
um, okay,
So we have a relational operator. So here you have given a relational operator double equal to.
yeah,
Okay. And we have an arithmetic operator. You have used modulus. And we also discussed about the logical operator. Only three logical operator, and also we have a bitwise logical operator.
yeah.
So what are the three logical operators?
Um,
Okay, no worries. We just discussed yesterday.
okay,
Okay, it's a and, or, and not.
okay, got it.
Okay, so can you tell, just think and tell what logical operator you have to use it here.
That uh, um,
I want to check both the conditions should be true. For example, it should be divisible by 4 and it should not be divisible by 100.
we can use the and.
Very good. You have to use the and. Okay,
Okay,
because both the conditions should be should be satisfied, right? So you have to
okay,
use and. So now what you have to do after this, can you go to the after if? Okay, after if, no, just go to the if. Yes, and keep your cursor next to like before the y, year starting, right?
okay,
Yes, open the parenthesis. Yes, now go to next to is zero, next to zero. Yes, now type and, a and d, space, give space and type and. Okay, and then give space and type year modulus 100, modulus 100, exclamatory symbol. Exclamatory symbol will be your one, number one. You have to press shift and yeah, is equal to. So exclamatory symbol and is equal to together is not equal to.
yeah, got it.
Okay, give is equal to.
So shouldn't it be equal to and then exclamatory, or does it matter? Like it does.
No, no, exclamatory zero. And you should go with exclamation should start after, like you should give space between your 100 and exclamation. Yeah,
Okay,
good. And then after is equal to, you have to go with zero and close it. Okay, and I'll tell you one more condition, no need to execute now. And
okay.
another condition is, okay, it should also be divisible by 400.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and it is not and. Okay, this both is compulsory. You can find that as an another optional one.
Okay.
So in that case, which logical operator you will be using it?
Uh, we can. I don't know if it's correct, but we can use the and one more time.
If you use and, then both are like all the three conditions should be true. Then only it will execute. That is why I mentioned that it's an optional. The third condition is optional. Okay. It may be true
Okay.
or it may be false, but the first two is important.
Oh, we can use or.
Very good. So after the close parenthesis, just put or space, open the parenthesis, year modulus 400 double equal to 0. Close the yes. So this is the why why I want you to try this, because you wanted to know how to use and or, and you should also know that you can use both and or in the same statement. Okay.
Okay.
And this is the simple way for calculating your leap year. Okay, keep this in mind that it should be divisible by 4, it should not be divisible by 100, and it like optional one is it can be divisible by 400.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Yes. Now if you execute, you can try. I will give you 3 input. You can try that. Yes. You can run this. Yes. First input is 2024.
Yeah.
So it
No,
is divisible by
this one,
20.
like after the and or if, this was my first one.
Okay, 2025. Yes, it's not a leap year. Fine. Okay. So 20, if you can just try 2024. Okay, it is divided by 4. It is not divided by 100. It is not divided by 400. It's a leap year. Sorry, it is divided by 400. It's a leap year. Okay,
Okay.
you can try 1009, like for example, something like 2000. Okay, so 2000 or 19,000. It's not a leap year because the condition, because you have checked two conditions, right? That is two in and. Okay,
Yeah.
in and if anyone gets false, then it is false.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, you can try that. Yes.
And yeah, I was not able to hear like what you said right now.
19,000. Yeah, no problem. That's fine. You have
Oh,
tried it, right? So this is
yeah.
usually in school they will be insisting on modulus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, but there are other conditions too. Okay, for leap
Okay.
year. So this is the condition.
Okay. Got it.
So yes. Do you want to try one more?
Yeah, sure, auntie.
Okay. So the last one, okay. So you have to get the input. You can copy that if you want to save your time. Like you can copy the thing, or you can start from the beginning. No problem for me. So you have to get the input from the number as an input from the user, one number, and you have to say whether it's a positive number or a negative number or it's a zero.
Okay. So, okay. Positive, negative, or zero.
Yeah.
Uh, Andy, I just have a small question. So here,
Yeah.
am I supposed to take int of input or like float of
Int of
input?
input. Yeah, int of input. Because you wanted to check whether it's a positive, negative, or zero. So it should be a number. Okay, you cannot
Yeah.
make string as a negative.
Okay.
Okay, so it's an int of input.
Okay. Got it. Wait, I'm just supposed to.
I think no need
I'm,
of, yeah, very good.
yeah,
One
I
number
didn't
is fine. Yeah,
realize.
yeah, yeah. Got it. It's a usual thing we will get. We will
Yeah,
get two numbers.
yeah. If okay, if a is greater than 0,
For else, you should not give the condition. Only for elif.
oh, okay,
Okay.
no,
Yes. So
okay. Oh, oh,
good.
okay.
Good try. Yeah.